The nice design and good finish handle is customized for glass doors, which can be used as bathroom entrance entry door handle. It can hold towels as well. Material in stainless steel 304. Thickness is 1.0 millimeter. Total length can be customized. Polished surface, more delicate. Other colors such as matte black, golden is accepted. Taking all features of door into consideration, this elegant handle can not only make the door more convenient, but also improve the beauty of the shower room, which can coordinate well with modern decorations.